See? Without wasting any time, we are going to honestly share with you the looksmaxxing guide that we have been following for quite some time and which has helped us transform ourselves. Even using these looksmaxxing hacks, people have transformed their looks from here to there. So the third point is very important, don't miss it. But first, you need to stand out from the crowd. We place this as the first point because you can start applying it the fastest. The main reason behind good looksmaxxing or glow is either you want to see your best version or you want to look different from others. However, most people make a common mistake by following the same trends that are currently in vogue. Just because something looks good on a foreigner, an English person, or your favorite style influencer doesn't mean it will look good on you too, because you and I are all
United States.
Your skin tone, height, and facial structure are different, so it's obvious that you should follow the style that looks best on you. What looks good on someone else may not suit you. So first, don't follow trends. Instead, do the opposite. You need to differentiate yourself from what people around you or in your age group are wearing, so you don't blend in with the crowd but stand out. So, you just need to follow these 3 golden rules of style maxing. The color, pattern, and fitting of your clothes should be right. If your skin is dark, avoid very bright or flashy colors. Simple shades will look best on you. If your skin is fair, dark or medium-toned colors will suit you better. The simpler, the better. Secondly, you should look tall in your clothes, not short. If your height is average or short, wear clothes and shoes that visually make you look taller. Baggy clothes will only look good if you are already tall. Otherwise, you will appear even shorter. Don't just go for expensive clothes. Start wearing premium-looking fabrics. People and sales also wear specific fabrics that look premium even when they are simple. Think about your face. Your skin is completely clear, with not a single pimple or blemish, but the structure of your face doesn't look right. However, you can work on your facial structure and your face can transform from this to that. You might be thinking that this will take a lot of time. It's not like that at all. You just need to understand this concept of resting face versus conscious face. It's very common that most of us don't see our resting face, which can look naturally odd, but others clearly notice it. Look, this is the resting face of this person, and this is the same person's face when they are not in resting mode. This is the conscious face. To solve this most common problem, try to keep your facial muscles in a conscious mode. Instead of resting mode most of the time, just feel your facial muscles and tighten them a little. Your face shouldn't look lazy or saggy. In 1 second, you can maintain your facial attention. Try this and see the celebrity skin secret. You must have heard that to maximize your skin, you should follow a good skincare routine. Well, we won't waste your time by giving the same old advice. You must have also heard celebrities say that I just drink a lot of water. Nothing else to keep my skin good. The reality is that some of these people are naturally good looking, some undergo surgery, and some, despite being genetically average, work on their skin and looks to improve them. But still, some celebrities look naturally younger without any surgery because their skin collagen level is good. Collagen is the natural protein that keeps the skin tight, beautiful, and glowing. However, as we age, it gradually decreases. Just look at your own skin. It wasn't like this in your childhood. It has become like this as your age increased and collagen levels decreased. And now, the next thing you need to do. Most people don't realize how much small details in accessories can enhance their overall look. Watches, sunglasses, rings, and chains are not just for style or fashion, but they also define your personality. Because according to one study, 50% of girls first notice a guy's style, and 68% said that the first accessory they notice is the watch. Because a good watch makes you look classy and mature, and it doesn't have to be expensive. It just needs to have a simple, minimalist design without appearing fake or cheap. Get one watch that matches every outfit, which is neither too formal nor too casual. Similarly, sunglasses are equally important because they are not just for fashion, but also help make your face look symmetrical and hide dark circles. That's why you often see yourself in sunglasses. In most photos, get 1 or 2 classy sunglasses that match every outfit. You must have seen international models wearing minimalist and basic rings, They wear chains and bracelets that don't stand out too much, but they add details. These are things we personally use as well, and you should wear everything too, but in a simple and classy way, that's all. Remember, we all should avoid looking flashy with big chains and multiple rings, and instead aim to be minimal and classy. A simple ring, premium looking chain, fun bracelet, and classy sunglasses that match your personality can take your looks to the next level. Fix your body. Think you've followed everything. But if your body shape isn't good, you might not feel completely 100% confident. You will either be thin, overweight, or somewhere in between. What to do? It's simple. You don't necessarily have to join a gym. You can work out at home as well. If your goal is just to look fit and attractive, not to become a bodybuilder, then first decide how you want your body to be. Based on your body type, you will find free workout plans on YouTube that are only 30k to 45 minutes long. You just need to maintain consistency. In a few days, you will see the results yourself, and then even a simple black t-shirt will make you stand out.